Today's lesson is on dilations. Dilation is a transformation that causes the size or changes the size or of the figure, but not the shape. So this should say of, but not the shape. So it is not an isometry or not a rigid motion. A dilation is a transformation which the lines connecting the preimage, the first one, of point A with its image, the second one, at the point called the center of dilation. So the rule, which is kind of like the formula, is x, the coordinates x, y, and I say the word becomes, the arrow here, k times x and k times y. So I'm going to multiply both x and y by the scale factor k. All right, so let's draw the image of the figure with the given vertices under a dilation with the scale factor k and at the center of the origin. Okay, so we are going to plot my pre-image first. Here's my pre-image first, which is J 0, 0, K -1, 2, and L 3, 4. This is my pre-image, my first one. Next, I'm going to multiply by my scale factor 2, so k equals 2. So I'm going to multiply 2 times each coordinate for my image. So J prime is 2 times 0, which is 0, and 2 times 0, which is 0. So J prime is still 0, 0. K prime, 2 times -1 is -2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And L prime, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. So J prime is still at the origin, -2, 4. Here's K prime, and 6, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is L prime. Oh, I don't have K prime on the right spot here. K prime is supposed to be here. K prime. There we go. Well, that's kind of a good learning tool. I'm supposed to have the same shape, and it wasn't the same shape. So that's kind of one of the clues if you didn't plot one of your points right. Do you see how it's like I just almost took this shape and just stretched it larger? So that's my image. Okay, so this is a scale factor where I'm greater than 1. So this was an enlargement. Okay, so the word large is in the word enlargement. So if I have a scale factor less than 1, This is going to be a reduction. Okay, so I'm going to do the same process where I'm going to multiply my scale factor k times each coordinate. So I'm going to start by plotting my pre-image first. So my pre-image is at 0, 0, so that's A. B is at 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C is at 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3. Here's A, B, C. So next I want to plot my image. So I'm multiplying my scale factor 1/3 times each coordinate. So 1/3 times 0 is 0. And 1/3 times 0 is 0. So my A prime is 0, 0. B prime, 1/3 times 0 is 0. 1/3 times 6 is 2. And C prime, 1/3 times 6 is 2. And 1/3 times 3 is 1. So let's plot my image now. So A prime is at 0, 0. B prime is at 0, 2. C prime is at 2, 1. So 1, 2, and 1. Well, here's my image. Okay, so let's do this backwards. If I give you the image and the pre-image, I want you to find the scale factor. So to do that, I am going to divide my x value of my image divided by my x value of my pre-image, or my y value of my image divided by y value of my pre-image. Okay, so let's see what we get here. So here is my image or pre-image, as I don't have any primes, so I know this is my pre-image and this is my image, and I know that because I have the prime here. So my x value of my image, so here's x and y, is -10 divided by my x value over here is 2. Or I could use my y values, so 5 divided by -1. So k is -5.